Over 95% of car owners are unknowingly throwing money away at detail shops and mechanics every single month. What's worse? Some of the problems they're charging you to fix can be prevented with simple tricks you can do in your driveway this weekend. One of these hacks alone can stop expensive repairs before they start, while others will make your car look and feel brand new for pennies. Before you pay another big bill, here are 15 genius car hacks that actually work, and most detailers hope you never discover. Hack number 15, clay bar paint decontamination. Your paint feels rough like sandpaper even after a fresh wash. Wax doesn't stick right and the shine looks flat no matter what you do. Here's the truth most detailers won't tell you up front. Grab a clay bar kit from any auto store for about $10-15. Spray the lubricant generously on one panel at a time, then glide the clay in straight lines with light pressure. You'll literally feel it grabbing and pulling out embedded brake dust, industrial fallout, tree sap, and tiny metal particles that no amount of washing can touch. Wipe the panel clean and feel the difference. It's glass smooth. Do the whole car in under an hour and your paint is finally prepped the right way. That $15 kit can decontaminate your vehicle multiple times. Professional detailers use this exact step before every polish or ceramic coating, yet they'll happily charge you $200+ for the premium prep. Skip this, and you're just trapping contaminants under your wax, causing more damage over time. If that one opened your eyes, wait until you hear this next one. Hack number 14, isopropyl alcohol windshield wipe down. Your windshield looks clean but still has that annoying haze. Night driving turns into a light show of glare and scattered beams. You've tried every glass cleaner and nothing fully fixes it. The pro move is dead simple. Take 70% or higher isopropyl alcohol on a clean microfiber. Wipe it in overlapping straight passes across the entire glass. It melts away silicone residue, oily films from interior protectants, and leftover junk that regular cleaners leave behind. It flashes off completely with zero streaks. One $2 bottle from the pharmacy lasts dozens of treatments. Most nighttime windshield haze comes from those invisible silicone layers that build up fast. Detailers use alcohol preps for the same reason before applying coatings. Do this before Rain-X or any hydrophobic treatment and it'll bond properly and last twice as long. Your night vision improves instantly. Hack number 13, baby wipes on door window seals. Those black smear marks on your windows every time you roll them up or down, that's coming from filthy rubber seals full of old grime and rubber particles. Grab a pack of plain baby wipes. Gently pull the seal lip away from the door and run the wipe all the way along the channel, inside and out. Roll the window up and down while you clean to reach the full track. The black streaks disappear for good. A $3 pack cleans every seal in your car with wipes left over. Dirty seals are one of the biggest hidden causes of window streaking and premature wear. Clean seals also stay flexible longer, preventing water leaks into your doors that lead to bigger problems down the road. Hack number 12, coconut oil paint and trim protectant. Your paint looks clean but flat and lifeless. Black plastic trim and rubber bits have turned gray and chalky. Forget the 60-100 shop treatments. Put a small amount of pure coconut oil on a microfiber, work it into your paint in circles, then buff it off like wax. Use a fresh bit on faded bumpers, moldings, and rubber trim and let it soak in. The natural oils bring back deep color and gloss while repelling water. One $6 jar from the grocery store gives you dozens of applications and works on leather seats and vinyl too. It delivers the same moisturizing and protective principles as expensive Carnauba blends. One product handling paint, trim, and interior in a single jar. That's real efficiency. Hack number 11, shampoo deep clean on carpet. Stained, matted carpets and floor mats that smell no matter how much you spray, passengers notice immediately. Mix regular hair shampoo with warm water in a spray bottle. Mist it on generously, scrub deep with a stiff brush, then blot out the dirty water with dry towels. Leave the doors open to air dry. The surfactants in shampoo are built to lift oils, dirt, and proteins, exactly what ruins car carpet. Add a splash of white vinegar and you're neutralizing odors at the source instead of masking them. Pros use similar shampoo-based solutions in their extraction machines. You're getting the same chemistry without the $100+ bill. Like what you're hearing? Smash that like button right now. These are the kinds of secrets that save car owners hundreds every year, and your support helps us keep bringing them to you. Hack number 10, toothpaste on windshield chips and scuffs. Small surface scuffs and scratches on your windshield catch the light and distract you while driving. Squeeze plain white non-gel toothpaste onto a damp cloth and work it in tight circles for 60-90 seconds. The ultrafine abrasives polish the glass safely. Wipe clean and the marks are dramatically reduced or gone. A $2 tube handles multiple spots. The same mild abrasion principle is used in professional glass polishing compounds. This trick also works great on plastic headlights and water spots on mirrors. Hack number 9, Vaseline tire shine and protection. Dry, faded, brownish tire sidewalls make even a clean car look neglected. Apply a thin layer of plain petroleum jelly with an applicator pad, working it evenly into the rubber. It restores deep black color with a natural-looking subtle gloss, plus it creates a barrier against oxidation. One $4 jar treats multiple sets of tires for months. Most fancy tire dressings are basically petroleum or silicone with fancy labels. Vaseline does the job cleaner and lasts longer without sling. It also helps slow dry rot and cracking. Hack number 8, Coca-Cola Rust Remover. Early surface rust on door edges, trunk, or underbody spots can quickly turn into serious bodywork. Pour regular Coca-Cola over the rust, let it sit 5–10 minutes, then scrub with a brush or aluminum foil. The phosphoric acid dissolves the rust. Rinse and dry thoroughly, then hit the clean metal with WD-40 for protection. You just did a professional-level rust treatment for the price of a soda. After the Coke step, that protective layer keeps moisture out. Hack number 7, WD-40 for sticker and residue removal. Old stickers, decals, and sticky residue that attract dirt and look awful. Spray WD-40 on the sticker, let it soak, then peel slowly. Wipe away leftover adhesive with a microfiber. It dissolves the glue without harming paint or glass. The same petroleum solvent principle used in expensive adhesive removers. One $5 can also handle tar, bugs, and road paint. Hack number 6. Lemon headlight restoration. Cloudy, yellowed headlights killing your nighttime visibility and making the car look old. Cut a lemon in half, dip in baking soda, and scrub the lens in firm circles for a couple minutes. The citric acid and mild abrasion remove oxidation fast. Rinse and buff dry. You're basically doing what 20/40 kits do using kitchen ingredients. Clear headlights can improve light output dramatically, a real safety win for pennies. Hack number 5, coffee filter dashboard wipe down. Dusty, streaky dashboards that always look greasy or leave lint behind. Slightly dampen a plain white coffee filter and wipe your dash, console, and trim in smooth strokes. The lint-free texture lifts dust and smears perfectly every time. A cheap pack gives you hundreds of uses. Pros pay for special lint-free tools. Coffee filters do the exact same job. Hack number 4, newspaper inside windshield polish. Oily haze on the inside of the windshield that makes night driving dangerous. Spray your glass cleaner, then polish with crumpled newspaper in circular motions. The paper fibers absorb and polish without lint or streaks. Newspapers have been the secret to streak-free glass for over 100 years. Monthly use stops that plastic off-gassing film from building up. Hack number 3, foam cleaner on car AC vents. Musty AC smell the second you turn it on. Use a can of foam upholstery or vent cleaner. Spray short bursts into each vent. The foam expands and breaks down mold and bacteria inside the ducts. Run the fan on full blast afterward. $8 can refreshes the whole system. Musty smells come from moisture and microbes deep inside. This reaches where other methods can't. Hack number 2, shoe polish on tire sidewalls. Scuffed, faded tire lettering and dull sidewalls. Apply black shoe polish with a cloth or brush, work it into the rubber and buff lightly. It fills scuffs, restores deep black, and makes white lettering pop. It bonds to the rubber and stays put for weeks without slinging onto your fenders, unlike many tire dressings. One $3 tin lasts a long time. Hack number 1, WD-40 on throttle body. Rough idle, hesitation on acceleration, and sluggish response. With the engine off, locate the throttle body. Wipe the plate and walls with WD-40 on a cloth or spray lightly for heavy buildup. Start the engine and let it idle to finish the cleaning. Carbon and varnish buildup is incredibly common and responds instantly to this. You'll feel smoother throttle and better fuel economy immediately. One $5 can saves you the 100-200 shop service. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which hack surprised you the most or which one you're trying first this weekend. If this just saved you serious cash at the detail shop or mechanic, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I've got even more industry secrets coming that will keep your car looking and running like new for years. Check out the next video, trust me, you're going to wish you knew these sooner. Your car and your wallet will thank you. See you in the next one.